$2.75 arancini. Oh, today I'm going to get instant noodles. This is $5.75. And yeah, I am here for the water, so I'm getting one. Well, actually two. I did not check how much I spent, but maybe just little over $10. I'm going to eat first these noodles, then I'm going to the gym. But I'm actually a little bit worried with the battery. Yeah, because since last night, I mean since yesterday, there was no sun. The battery only charged because of my driving, not from the solar panel. So maybe it's not enough. But I will try. Because what I am going to do is just boil water. If my auxiliary battery from the car has no power, enough battery, yeah, I can still use the power station. Okay, it's boiling now. Hopefully the water is enough. Yeah, the water is actually a little bit less. Well, it's okay. Oh, too hot. And this is how it is. There's actually a pieces of meat. Hey, it's good, this one. There is more, maybe around 3 pieces. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, it is already 4:34. Today I work from 8 o'clock and I finished at 4 o'clock. Yeah, actually, this morning I thought I am going to work by 6 o'clock. Yeah, so I set my alarm at 5:10, and then before 6 o'clock I was already at work. And then I heard the door opens. Yeah, and it was Kwai. Yeah, the new Vietnamese guy. Yeah, he was surprised to see me because he thought he's going to work with the other shift. And so I checked the roster. Yeah, and I am 8 o'clock. Yeah, and so I left and come back at 8 o'clock. I just do the dishwashing because the dishwasher guy also need to go to the induction. Yeah, Kwai also needs to go to induction. That's why the roster is like that. When I was driving last night, I thought it is going to charge the battery, the auxiliary, but it did not. Yeah, so the fridge, I plug it into the power station, and the power station now just have a 26% battery, and that's why the vehicle is on at the moment. I am hoping that it is going to charge the auxiliary battery. Oh, this is the Vegemite bread that I bought yesterday. Yeah, I need to keep the fridge on because I have this dim sum, noodles. Oh, I still have rice. Yeah, and rice. Yeah. Oh, soft drinks. I have soft drinks. I was not aware that I have soft drinks. Actually, I am thinking of cooking this food. Yeah, over there in the barbecue place, I will try. Yeah, I'm going to make just like kind of soup. Basically this, I'll put it all here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 pieces. A lot. This just at $2 or I forgot actually. Maybe 5, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm just going to put everything. And the fridge is now empty. Yeah, I need to cook all of this so that nothing is wasted. And this is actually a soup. Po. Po. There is also a meat. Add some water. I think the material of this is not conducting heat. Just press this button, as you can see in here. Hold it for 6 seconds. There is a green light, so it means that it is on. I need to get a lid. I will be really shy if there are people come here later on. Yeah, and they will sit here. Hopefully they will come later when I'm done with this. What I am thinking about the battery of the auxiliary battery of my vehicle is probably worn out already. I don't know if the reason is because there's no sun in the previous days. At first, it was able to charge the auxiliary by just driving. But then last night, after driving, I did not notice that it charged actually. Yeah, so probably there is already a problem with the battery. Let's see. Oh, it's almost yeah, it's hot now. Almost boiling. Not yet. Well, but it's hot. If 30 minutes is not enough, I just need to press it again. Look at that, it's boiling now. Yeah. So the flavor of this is Poo, the Vietnamese one. I did not adjust any seasoning yet. Yeah, actually it's bland. And you know, it's still on. So the 30 minutes is enough actually for yeah, cooking here. I actually have rice, but I need to check. Yeah, still good. No need to reheat. Yeah, I need to add some seasoning here. You know, this is actually my very first time to cook like this in the park. Yeah, there are some people around and I'm actually very shy. And yeah, as much as possible, I'm still trying to be stealth. Yeah, living in my camper van. I'm still, I don't show to people. I'm not making it really obvious that I am living in the van. Yeah, because you know, not everyone likes it. Yeah, not everyone likes people in the van. Because you know, there are some people living in the van who is very careless, messy. So it's over 30 minutes already because yeah, it's off already the button. I already add some salt. Probably it's good now. Still not the best. Not enough seasoning. I'm going to add some more. This one, liquid seasoning. This magic. Yeah, the rice become delicious when once you added this. Most of the time there are people here. If you remember when I was riding my bike before, within passing here, there's always people here having a picnic. I actually have three choices. I mean, have three options to be able to eat despite of my battery situation. First, I can cook inside the barn using my power station. Yeah. And then the second option, go to the restaurant, just eat anything in the restaurant. Yeah, this is the third option. Yeah, yeah, it's good actually to eat here. Yeah, this is my very first time to eat in this yeah, for the whole year, because I have been living in the van for 1 year now, over a year already, and this is the very first time that I use the barbecue place. There are lots of barbecue place around the Bay Area. Yeah, I'm going to do it again, but yeah, only if there's no people. Oh, the problem is I don't have a fridge. Yeah, so it means that this one will be spoiled tomorrow. Actually, I'm just going to throw this in the bin. Yeah, because I'm not going to be able to power the battery. I mean the fridge. My power station still has a power, but yeah, I'm saving that battery for my phone to charge. Also to charge this camera. Later, I am going to have a coffee and I am going to try this Vegemite hot cross bun.